Good morning, everyone. I'm Dominador Gomez de la Cruz Jr. I'm reporting for today about animal bites overview. One caused by animal teeth can result in pain, bleeding and infection, risk of disease, transmission, rabies, tetanus. Type of animal bites: dog bites, deep tearing 1. Cat bites, small but deep punctures. Human bites carry harmful bacteria. Wild animal bites, high rabies risk. Snake bite may be venomous. Symptom of animal bite: pain or swelling at the bite site, redness and warm, bleeding, pus or fluid discharge, fever or chill infection sign. Dog bite case: victim young boy fighting by a stray dog. Symptom: bleeding wound on leg. Treatment: rabies vaccine, wound cleaning, antibiotic. Cat bite case: victim adult fighting, rescuing a cat. Symptom: small bite, swollen next day. Treatment: immediate cleaning, antibiotic to prevent infection. Common treatment tip: clean the wound with soap and water. Apply antiseptic and cover with clean bandage. Seek medical attention for serious bite. Rabies shot may be needed. Tetanus booster if not up to date. When to seek medical help: wound is deep or bleeding heavily. Bite from a wild or unknown animal. Sign of infection appear. You haven't had a tetanus shot in 5 to 10 years. So prevention tips: avoid approaching strange or wild animals. Do not disturb pets while eating or sleeping. Vaccinate your pets regularly. Teach the children to be cautious around animals. Important reminders: all animal bites should be taken seriously. Clean wounds quickly to prevent infection. Report stray or wild animals attacked to authorities. Keep emergency number accessible. I'm a student of Phil Canadian Caregiver Training School. Thank you for watching. Bye. God bless.